Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me an email. They wanted to do a rope around a rectangle. And I thought I'd kind of done this before. And this is a lot more difficult than you would think. And I'm going to try to do it several ways. But this is probably the easiest. I just took a piece of clip art and traced it. And then I'm going to go and select it all. I'm going to go ungroup. And then I'm going to select it all and I'm going to combine it. And what that's going to do is fill in the black with the transparent. So we have our part of our rope already. And you can do a lot with this. Just take a 2-point line, hold down the control button, and let's move that up just a hair. I'm going to get rid of all this junk I don't need. Use the virtual segment delete key. And what I'm trying to do is get to two sides of the rope. And you could actually do this and kind of look at it, closer. And then I'm going to take this, I'm going to control D, I'm going to make a duplicate, and I'm going to rotate it up. Then I'm actually going to mirror it. So it's kind of different on both sides. Now, here's kind of the key. We need to fix this stuff. And the way to fix the loose ends would be to grab it all and left click or right click, left click and right click. So we got an outline, so I'm sorry, left click, no fill, right click, black. And then we're going to go, and it's pretty important to do this, select it all, go up to combine and combine it, but then go up to arrange and break curve apart. That's pretty important so you can move these lines around. And you can see we have a lot of broken lines. Now I'm going to just get rid of those two. And I'm going to move this one to here. I'm going to grab both those nodes and kind of move it over. One thing good about this, this will be your rope, your border. Maybe move that one over there. I've kind of lost my track. I need to put this one here. Whoop. You're making closed areas. And then we'll put that one there. Now, while you're here, I would open up the windows, Dockers, close curve or join curves, and grab these and hit apply. Anything that's open is going to close up. And then just do the same thing on this side. We're going to take our shape tool, join those. Let's take this over here and join that. Now this is pretty unorthodox doing it this way, but it looks pretty good. I was pretty impressed. And if you were doing this for real, I would take my time and then go through there, and the inside and outside are different. So we're going to have to do this separately. Join, apply. These two are pretty far apart. Well, let's see how good the join curves is. Now to do this, you're going to have to hold down the shift key and grab both of them and hit apply. See it join those two curves. We don't want any open leaks because we're going to fill this in with the Smart Fill tool. And let's say that's done. Let's make our yellow box more in the center. Let's draw a rectangle around it just in case it leaks, so it won't leak through the screen or out to every object. And grab your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. We have no leaks. We did a good job. And you can go around and tweak it. I think it looks pretty cool. Like that right there needs to be tweaked. But it's a rope. And one thing you got to think about, when you delete some of this, there is a wire frame behind there. So after you get everything done, let's get rid of the yellow box. When you get everything done, right here is that wireframe. Click on that wireframe and just delete it. So you could go through here and make some of these better, because this is somebody's clip art. But it'll work. And then go through and combine it, and then you could possibly make it whatever size you want for your rectangle. I would kind of start out with whatever you have in mind, like this is 15 by 17. I wouldn't stretch it too far in any direction because you're going to mess it up. But anyway, I hope that answered her question, and thank you for watching.